Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 4 is Taylor Eisenman. Okay, Taylor, you will pick a strip of paper here and you will read the number and, of course, the corresponding charge.
I take charge number 3, engineering.
At you know, kinakabahan ko. Kung kinakabahan sa'yo. Ito yung tanong sa'yo. Sa panahon ngayon, ang Pilipinas ay nakakaranas ng matinding init. So bilang isang LGBT, ano ang iyong may iakambak sa ating community upang maiwasan ang patuloy na pagkasira ng ating kalikasan at patuloy na pabago-bago ng panahon?
Thank you for the question. I believe that to be able to influence other people, like not only be able to be as a member of the LGBT community, because each and every one of us is responsible to influence the youth with a good, like do's and don'ts. We should always take care of our environment and always remember the Philippine Ecological Solid Waste Management, which is an article Act of 2000. To be able to be more responsible and inclusive in the process, like the children or the youth who are our in a home. We're going to be our next generation. So for these people who are here tonight, especially the young youth, we should always be reminded the Philippine Ecological Solid Waste Management for us to be able to decrease the heat increase. Thank you.
Thank you.